Hey guys, today we will talk about how intermittent fasting works for weight loss. Let's start the video. Intermittent fasting, it's everywhere you turn, from health magazines to social media feeds. But this isn't just another fleeting diet trend. Intermittent fasting is a powerful approach to eating that's rooted in centuries of human history. It's about cycling between periods of eating and voluntary fasting, a pattern our ancestors naturally followed. Today, we're rediscovering the profound benefits of this ancient practice. Intermittent fasting isn't about deprivation. It's about giving your body a break from constant digestion. This break allows your body to tap into its fat stores for energy, promoting weight loss and improving overall health. More than just shedding pounds, intermittent fasting offers a holistic approach to well-being. It goes beyond calorie restriction, influencing crucial hormones and cellular processes. This makes it a sustainable lifestyle choice, not a quick fix. Ready to unlock the transformative power of intermittent fasting? Let's delve into the science behind it and discover how you can easily incorporate it into your life. To grasp the effectiveness of intermittent fasting, we need to understand our body's energy regulation. We primarily use glucose, sugar, from food for energy. When we eat frequently, our insulin levels stay elevated, promoting fat storage. Fasting flips the script. As glucose levels decline, insulin drops. This signals our body to access stored fat for fuel, leading to weight loss. This metabolic switch is key to intermittent fasting success. But the benefits go beyond burning fat. Fasting triggers cellular repair processes, known as autophagy. Damaged cells are removed, and new, healthier cells emerge. This cellular rejuvenation contributes to longevity and disease prevention. Intermittent fasting also reduces inflammation, a common root of chronic diseases. By giving your digestive system a break, you lower inflammation and promote healing. It's like hitting the reset button for your body. Embarking on your intermittent fasting journey is simpler than you might think. Begin by choosing a fasting pattern that fits your lifestyle. Popular options include the 16/8 method, fasting for 16 hours, eating within an 8-hour window, or the 5-2 method, eating normally for 5 days, restricting calories for 2 non-consecutive days. Start gradually. If you're new to fasting, ease into it by extending your overnight fast by an hour or 2. Listen to your body and increase your fasting duration as you feel comfortable. Hydration is key during fasting periods. Drink plenty of water, unsweetened tea, or black coffee to stay hydrated and curb hunger pangs. These beverages won't break your fast. Remember, consistency is crucial. Intermittent fasting is most effective when practiced regularly. Make it a sustainable part of your routine for optimal results. As you embark on your intermittent fasting journey, it's essential to be aware of the potential benefits and challenges that lie ahead. Understanding these aspects will empower you to make informed decisions and navigate your fasting experience with greater confidence. One of the most significant advantages of intermittent fasting is its simplicity. Unlike complex diets with restrictive food lists, intermittent fasting focuses on when you eat, not what you eat. This makes it easier to follow and adhere to in the long run. Moreover, intermittent fasting can lead to significant weight loss, particularly for individuals struggling with insulin resistance. By reducing insulin levels, intermittent fasting unlocks fat stores, promoting a healthy and sustainable approach to weight management. However, it's crucial to acknowledge that intermittent fasting, like any lifestyle change, can present challenges. Some individuals may experience initial side effects such as headaches, fatigue, or difficulty concentrating. These symptoms are usually temporary and subside as the body adapts to the new eating pattern. Intermittent fasting offers a variety of approaches, allowing you to tailor your fasting schedule to your preferences and lifestyle. Let's explore some of the most popular and effective methods. The 16/8 method involves fasting for 16 hours each day and consuming all your meals within an 8-hour eating window. For example, you might skip breakfast and have your first meal at noon, finishing your last meal by 8 p.m. The 5-2 method, on the other hand, allows you to eat normally for 5 days a week and restrict your calorie intake to 500 to 600 calories on 2 non-consecutive days. These fasting days don't have to be back-to-back, providing flexibility. Then there's alternate day fasting, which involves alternating between days of eating normally and days of fasting or significantly reducing calorie intake. This approach can be challenging for beginners and may require gradual adaptation. Lastly, Eat Stop Eat involves a 24-hour fast once or twice a week. For instance, you might have dinner on Monday, fast completely on Tuesday, and break your fast with dinner on Wednesday. Remember, the best intermittent fasting method is the one you can stick to consistently. Experiment with different approaches to find what works best for your body and lifestyle. The timing of your fasting window is crucial for maximizing the benefits of intermittent fasting. Here are some key factors to consider when determining the ideal fasting schedule. Meal frequency. If you're accustomed to eating multiple small meals throughout the day, you may find it easier to start with a shorter fasting window and gradually increase its duration. Conversely, if you naturally gravitate towards 2 or 3 larger meals, extending your fasting window might feel more comfortable. Activity levels. Consider aligning your fasting window with your daily activity levels. For instance, if you engage in intense workouts in the evenings, you might prefer to break your fast after your workout to replenish glycogen stores. Social commitments. Life often revolves around food-centric social gatherings. Be mindful of social events and plan your fasting schedule accordingly. If you know you have a dinner party on a particular evening, adjust your fasting window to accommodate the occasion. Sleep patterns. Adequate sleep is essential for overall health and can influence hormone regulation. Aim to finish your last meal a few hours before bedtime to allow for optimal digestion and sleep quality. What you eat when you break your fast is just as important as the fasting period itself. Choosing nutrient-dense, whole foods will help nourish your body, stabilize blood sugar levels, and support your overall health goals. Prioritize protein. Protein is essential for building and repairing tissues, and it also helps promote satiety, keeping you feeling fuller for longer. Opt for lean protein sources such as chicken, fish, tofu, or legumes. Embrace healthy fats. Don't shy away from healthy fats, as they play a crucial role in hormone production, cell function, and nutrient absorption. Incorporate sources like avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil into your meals. Load up on fiber. Fiber-rich foods, such as fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, are digested slowly, providing sustained energy and promoting gut health. They also add volume to your meals, helping you feel satisfied. Stay hydrated. Continue to drink plenty of water throughout the day, even after breaking your fast. Adequate hydration supports digestion, nutrient absorption, and overall bodily functions. While intermittent fasting offers numerous benefits, it's essential to be aware of potential pitfalls and address them proactively to ensure a safe and successful experience. Overeating during eating windows. Intermittent fasting doesn't give you a free pass to overindulge during your eating windows. Pay attention to your body's hunger and fullness cues to prevent overeating and potential weight gain. Nutrient deficiencies. If you're not careful, restricting your eating window could lead to nutrient deficiencies. Ensure you're consuming a variety of nutrient-dense foods during your eating periods to meet your body's needs. Hormonal imbalances. Intermittent fasting can influence hormone levels, particularly for women. If you experience irregular periods, fatigue, or other hormonal disruptions, consult with your healthcare provider. Underlying health conditions. Intermittent fasting may not be suitable for everyone, especially individuals with certain health conditions such as diabetes, eating disorders, or pregnant or breastfeeding women. Consult with your doctor before starting any fasting regimen. As you embark on your intermittent fasting journey, remember that listening to your body is paramount. Every individual is unique, and what works for one person may not work for another. Pay close attention to how your body responds to fasting and adjust your approach accordingly. Hunger cues. Distinguish between true hunger and cravings. True hunger builds gradually, while cravings are often sudden and specific. If you experience intense hunger pangs, consider shortening your fasting window or adjusting your eating schedule. Energy levels. Intermittent fasting should boost your energy levels in the long run. However, you may experience temporary dips in energy, especially during the initial adaptation phase. If fatigue persists, adjust your fasting duration or frequency. Sleep quality. Intermittent fasting can improve sleep quality for many individuals. However, if you find it difficult to fall asleep or stay asleep while fasting, adjust your eating window to ensure you finish your last meal a few hours before bedtime. Overall well-being. Intermittent fasting should enhance your overall well-being. If you experience any adverse effects, such as persistent headaches, dizziness, or digestive issues, consult with your healthcare provider. Intermittent fasting isn't just another diet fad. It's a powerful lifestyle approach that can transform your health and well-being. By understanding the science behind it and implementing the practical tips outlined in this essay, you can unlock the transformative power of fasting. Remember, consistency is key. Embrace intermittent fasting as a sustainable lifestyle change, not a quick fix. Listen to your body, adjust your approach as needed, and celebrate your progress along the way. As you embark on this journey, remember that you're not alone. A supportive community of fellow fasters can provide encouragement, motivation, and valuable insights. Connect with others, share your experiences, and celebrate your collective successes. Intermittent fasting is more than just a way to lose weight. It's a path to reclaiming your health, boosting your energy, and living a longer, more vibrant life. Are you ready to unlock your fasting potential? The journey starts today. Like, share, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.